welcome to the weekly Forex webinar. Let's get right into show you my plan. Having a look at the dollar index, we definitely have a downtrend. So what my plan for the moment is wait for a pullback, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday to around the 103 area to short it down to this area. Okay, nothing significant around this area, then I'm happy. So the flip side is euro. You can see already I have a 4-hour trend. I want to see price pull back and stay above the 108 and take it long. All right, so maybe here take some profit and let some run. Okay, but 1.1 would be the area, so around here to here would be the area that I'll look to take most of my profit. Another one that I'm interested is dollar Swiss. So at the moment I like to see actually 4-hour, you will see it better. So we got a daily downtrend for sure anyway, but I like to see price come back a little bit higher to around the 87.40 area and look to sell it. Okay, so that's the plan on dollar Swiss. I probably favor more dollar Swiss. Surprise, surprise, I don't trade that much, but the price action and COT data is supporting more than euro. Right, moving on to pound. I'm not a big fan of this kind of price action. So, it looks like a fake out. Would that break that high again? No, I'm going to leave it alone. Australian dollar, US dollar, Aussie is bullish, but I think we could see a little bit of pullback from that. Let me just try and draw that. So in here, and then look to our 66, and I look to take it up to 69. So that's all for the currency side. I'm not really looking to trade gold. I mean, the price action is not great, but in the new year, I will look to sell it as long as it stay under the 2080, all right? But oil is a bullish season. COT data is buying a bit. The commercial is buying a bit. So what I like to see on oil is break above this, stay above the 72.30 area, take it up to around the 80 area. So that's all for me for the Forex market plan this week. This will be the last one for 2023 because it's Christmas coming. So I wish you a Merry Christmas and see you guys in 2024. Many thanks.